Hey guys, Happy New Year! Today I wanted to share some tips on how to line your eyes, do's and don'ts for an everyday natural look. So let's get started. So if you're a beginner, try to hold off on the liquid liners, and I highly suggest you try a gel liner instead because it's just so much easier to work with. This is my favorite one from MAC. So you do want to draw a thin line and then gradually go thicker. I have a really small crease, so I like to line it halfway of my crease and not the whole crease so that you can still see some shadow colors. And if you mess up, you can easily fix mistakes before it dries up with the Q-tip. You don't want to overline. If you cover the entire crease, there will be no room for shadow and it will give a more dramatic look instead of an everyday natural look. But I'm sure there are some people that prefer this look, which is totally fine. Now it's a different story if you have hooded or monolids, which I will do a separate tutorial on. You do want to slightly wing out the ends because it can make your eyes appear longer and youthful, especially if the ends of your eyes are droopy. So the thickness of the wing depends on the look you're going for, but since today is an everyday look, I'm going to slightly wing it upward. If you wing it out too thick, it can give a dramatic cat eye, like a bold look instead of a natural look. You do want to tightline your eyes to fill up your waterline so that there's no empty gaps. I like to get in between all my lashes, and I prefer liquid liners for tightlining because it's more long lasting. If you don't tightline, you'll see your waterline and empty spaces. So tightline, it can give an illusion of darker lash roots and fuller lashes. You do want to slightly line the inner corner of your eyes, and I like to use whatever is left on the brush after I lined my eyes. And this just makes my eye shape stand out more. You don't want to go too harsh and apply too much eyeliner on your lower lashes because this can make your eyes look very tired and appear smaller. You do want to use like a brown shadow and apply it on the outer corners and connect it to the wing. This can give a slightly natural smoky eye look without looking too harsh. Now you don't want to use a dark black eyeshadow on your lower lashes because it can make it look too bold and harsh. So those were some of my do's and don'ts tips for an everyday eyeliner. I hope this video was helpful for some of you guys. Wishing everyone a happy and safe and healthy new year. Talk to you guys soon. Bye!